Reluctance motors are singly excited. Which of the following motor is generally used for electric shavers? Universal motor. The rotor of which motor does not have winding on it? Hysteresis motor. Which motor will make least noise? Hysteresis motor. Which motor is relatively free from mechanical and magnetic vibrations? Hysteresis motor. A single-phase capacitor start motor will take starting current nearly twice the full load current. For a system involving sound recording and reproduction, which motor would you select? Hysteresis motor. For the same rating, which of the following motor has the highest starting torque? Universal motor. A capacitor selected for capacitor run motor should be rated for peak voltage. If the ceiling fan, when switched on, runs at slow speed in this reverse direction, it can be concluded that capacitor is ineffective. By pushing and pulling the rotor shaft of a motor, we can check its end play. Electrical faults in a motor occurs most commonly in its control equipment. Which of the following statements regarding repulsion induction motor is incorrect? It employs centrifugally operated mechanism to short circuit the commutator. Which statement about resistance start split phase motor is incorrect? The two stator windings are connected in series across the supply. Which of the following statements regarding permanent split single value capacitor motor is incorrect? It has very low power factor at full load. Which of the following statements about universal motor is incorrect? Its direction of rotation can be reversed by reversing the polarity of its power supply. The speed which magnetic field of an induction motor rotates is called synchronous speed. A repulsion start induction run single phase motor run as induction motor only when commutator segments are short circuit. In a repulsion motor, brushes are connected together by jumper wire. A motor gets overheated due to all of the above.